Next item, students.
New chapter, ma'am.
Not new chapter, matrices, computative, right? Level 1, level 2, level 3, compulsory. Level 1, at least level 1, level 2, you have to practice some for Monday exam, mains exam, right? Okay. So already I shared yesterday, right? Yesterday material I posted, no? Did you see the material? Response, students, all of you? Did you see the material or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Once you solve all the problems,
Okay, ma'am.
easy chapter only, definitely. If you practice, no,
But
definitely it will
even
come.
first chapter questions will come, ma'am.
What?
Even from first chapter questions will come, relations and functions.
Maybe 40%, 40% present week, 40% previous week, 20% cumulative. 40% present week, 40% to previous, 20% to cumulative.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, for Monday's exam, if you do IIT,
For Monday's exam, mains only, ma. That is the syllabus. 40% present week, 40% previous week, 20% cumulative. Next. Next, Radha.
Ma'am, for
Next,
Monday's
Radha.
exam,
Yeah. Students? Students? What students? I didn't understand, ma.
for Monday's exam, what and all, if you practice, it is enough, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. Almost I cover all material problems. Just practice one more time. What and all I have given in the notes. Once you practice material also. Okay. Once you practice material and notes. Okay. It is enough. Students, next item, students. Next question. Exercise 2, level 2. Level 2. Level 2. Write down, students. Tell me the answer fast. Construct a 3x2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to e power x ix sin jx. What is the answer? Tell me, students. What is the answer?
Ma'am, is it AIJ or A base IJ?
EIX.
No,
Jx.
No, ma'am, AIJ.
Yeah, AIJ.
Okay.
AIJ only. Tell me the answer, students. So 3x2 means 3 rows to 2 columns. So 3 rows to 2 columns. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. So 3 rows to 2 columns. Substitute the values and find the answer. Tell me the answer, students, fast. A11, put A equal to 1, J is equal to 1. What do you get here? E power x sin 1 into x is x. 1, 2. This is I and this is J. Substitute the values. Tell me the answer fast. Students, please respond. What is the answer for this?
E power 2x into sin 2x.
E power, why you 2x are taking?
Oh.
Tell me. I value is 1 only, no? E power x
Sin
Sin?
2x.
2x. Next.
E power x sin 3x.
3x.
See here, what I have given matrix is
Ma'am, is it
correct.
EX
Ah,
sin
Please
3x?
listen 1 minute. Listen, all of you. 3 rows, so 2 columns we want, right? This matrix is correct. This
No,
matrix is
ma'am, 2
correct.
rows, 3 columns.
3 rows, 3 columns. So, but they are simply, you're not telling anything means what, ma? Huh? 3 rows, so 2 columns. So 3, 1, 3, 2. Now see 3 rows, 2 columns. Is it clear, all of you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
3 rows, 2 columns. Now tell me.
Ma'am, A2x sin
A21x. No, A21 is e power.
2x. E power 2x sin x.
x.
Very good. Next.
E power
E power 2x sin 2x.
then e power 3x sin x.
Next. Next.
E power 3x sin 2x.
Okay. Very good. Next question. If capital A is equal to 1 by pi sin inverse x pi tan inverse of x by pi sin inverse of x by pi cot inverse of pi x and b is equal to 1 by pi minus cos inverse x pi tan inverse x by pi sin inverse of x by pi minus tan inverse of pi x. Then a minus b is equal to first one I 0 2i 1 by 2i. Tell me the answer. Students, tell me the answer. It is easy only. Students, hello. Hello. My voice is clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me, what is a minus b? So 1 by pi, it is a common for both. Right outside first.
Minus cos.
See, sin inverse x pi minus into minus plus cos
Minus
inverse
cos
of x pi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tan inverse of
Minus tan
x
inverse
by pi minus tan inverse of
pi by
minus
x by pi.
x by pi.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, sin inverse of x by pi
X by pi
minus
minus sin
sin
inverse
inverse of
x by pi.
x by pi. Next,
Cot
Cot
inverse
inverse pi
x
x
plus
plus tan inverse pi x.
okay. Any doubt, students? Please respond.
no, ma'am.
Pi x. Now tell me, students, it is 1 by pi. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, we know already, pi by 2. This two also 0. This two also 0. And
And
this is pi by 2.
pi
Pi by 2. Okay, take pi common. If you take pi common outside, you
One
cannot
by
write here. Pi cancel. 1
Yes,
by
ma'am.
2, 0. 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Okay, 1 by 2, right? Take common outside. 1, 0, 0.
Ma'am, 1 by 2, I fourth option.
Right.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down? Thank you, ma'am.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Completed. Next
Completed.
question. Next, it is easy only. Tell me the answer. Capital A is equal to XY. Capital B is equal to AH, HB. C is equal to XY. Then ABC is equal to. First one, AX plus HY plus BXY. Second one, AX square plus 2XY plus BY square. Third one, AX square minus 2HXY plus BY square. Fourth one,
It will be tough.
BX square minus 2XY plus AY square. Read fast, all of you.
Ma'am,
What
it
is
will
the
be
answer? Which question you want?
that question only, ma'am. Top one. Second one.
Second one. Completed, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer for this. First, AB into C. First, find out AB. What is this order? One row,
One
column.
cross two, ma'am.
This is 1 cross 2.
And two
So
cross
first-
two and 2 cross 1.
Yeah, 1 cross 2. So 1 cross 2
Ma'am,
means
XA,
first row
XH.
Ma'am, XA plus
AX,
1H,
HY.
then X plus H.
Then XH plus BY.
Yes, ma'am,
That's
Y.
right.
That's
Yeah,
the
this is 1 cross 2. ABC we want. ABC is equal to, this is 1 cross 2. This is 2 cross 1. So 2 is equal to 2. 1 cross 1 will get to multiply. So AX plus HY, HX plus BY, XY. Now multiply. So first row with the first column. Then you can write it as
AX
AX
square.
square plus HXY
Yes, ma'am.
plus HXY plus BY square. What is the answer will get you here? AX square plus 2HXY plus
Yes, ma'am.
BY.
Ma'am, answer is second option.
Is there any doubt, students? Please respond.
No, ma'am.
Please respond. Is there any doubt? Next. Completed, na? Next question. Write down, students. It is important. A fruit shop has 5 dozen oranges, 5 dozen oranges, 3 dozen mangoes, 6 dozen bananas, their selling price are rupees 60, rupees 40, rupees 30 each respectively. Using matrix algebra, the value of the fruits in the shop is,
Ma'am, dozen means 12, right?
yeah,
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 12.
yeah, very good. Okay, see, listen, students. Here, 5 dozen. Okay, na? So 5 dozen is 5 into 12. Next one is
3 into 12.
Ma'am, 3
3 into 12 and 6 into 12.
Yes,
3
ma'am.
into 12 and 6 into 12.
Ma'am, we can take one common, right?
Yeah, wait 1 minute.
Yes,
When it is matrix multiplication is possible means here one row one row, 3 columns. So if you write this also row wise, this matrix multiplication is possible, not possible. So that is why, right? Okay, now. So that 5 dozen oranges, 3 dozen mangoes, and 6 dozen mangoes write in one row. And for that selling price, write in the column. Then only matrix multiplication is possible. Students understood what I'm telling?
Understood.
Understood. Why I'm writing like this means here 3 rows, 3 columns. 3 rows, 1 column. Then only matrix multiplication is possible. If you write both are right in one column or one row, means matrix multiplication is not possible. So that's why you have to write. I can take first one, I can write in the column, or second one you can write in the row. Anything, but you have to write one is column wise, one is row wise. Then only matrix multiplication is possible. 3 is equal to 3. Now multiply this one. Tell me the answer. We will get the answer. 5 into 12. 5 into 12 is 16. 36, 72. Now tell me the answer. 60, 40, 30. First row with the first column. Then you can write 60 into 60 plus 36 into 40 plus 72 into 30. What is this answer? What is this answer? Please respond. Doing students all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
72.
Yes, yes.
Check it once.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Next. Next question, students. Very important. Finish. Next. If capital A is equal to 2141, capital B is equal to 34223, capital C is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 2, 3. Then trace A, trace A, B, C by 2 plus trace A into B, C whole square by 4 plus and so on plus trace
What is trace?
A, B, C. Trace, ra? What, ra? You're attending this first class? Huh? And so on infinity. What, students? What do you mean by trace? What's the definition, ma? Students, what is meant by trace, ma? Sum of diagonal elements, right? Students, respond. Students, you don't know trace? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Addition of diagonals.
Sum of diagonals. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
First find out BC. First find out BC. Tell me the answer. First find out BC. What is the answer we'll get you? 3, 4, 2, 3. BC. 3 minus 4 minus 2, 3. So multiply these two matrix. Tell me what is the answer we'll get you fast. Multiply these two matrix. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, it is 3 into 3 and
3 into 3 is
9.
9. 9 minus 8.
9 minus
12.
8.
12 minus 12.
12 minus 12.
6 minus 6 minus 8 plus 9.
Ma'am, 1001.
Ma'am, it will be 1001.
So nothing but it is identity matrix, right? Students,
Yes,
identity
ma'am.
matrix.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
identity matrix is nothing but 1. Okay. Now substitute that trace of A plus trace of, listen students, BC. Okay, na? BC is I. Substitute in the series sum. So BC is I. Students, A into I by 2. We can write A by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
A into I is nothing but A only. Next, what do you get next? Trace of BC whole square. A into I square is A only. So we can write A by 4. Please respond, students. Students, please respond to square. Next, trace of A into A into BC is I cube also 1. A into I is A by 8 means 2 cube. So plus and so on infinity. Are you following, students? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Please respond, students.
Ma'am.
Next.
Can we go to the question, ma'am? 1 minute.
Yeah. This is the question. In place of BC, we got it I. I is nothing but take it as 1 only. A into I by 2 is A by 2. Okay, A into BC square. A into I square value is 1 only. A by 4. That A by 4 can be written as A by 2 square plus A by 2 cube, like that. Okay, now trace of A, you know, already yesterday explained, trace of K is equal to K into trace of A. Constant right outside, 1 by 2 into trace of A. Students, please respond. Students, please respond. Students, are you understand or not? Tell me, students, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Next, plus 1 by 2 square into trace of A. Any doubt? 1 by 2 cube into trace of A, and so on infinity. So here, so on infinity. Which type of series? Tell me, students, it is. Which type of series? Tell me, students. Sum of infinite in GP. So S infinity is equal to, we have a formula, A by 1 minus R. Okay, S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. S infinity is equal to A is trace of A divided by 1 minus. What is the difference? 1 by 2, 1 is 1 by 2. 1, students understood all of you? 1 by 2 minus 1. Difference of trace of 1 by 2 trace of A minus trace A is 1 by 2. Please respond, students. So then take LCM. Trace of A divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. This denominator 2 goes to numerator. Okay. Now trace of A. What is the trace of A here? What is A given? What is the A given matrix? A is equal to 2, 1, 4, 1. So already given matrix A is equal to, given matrix A is equal to 2, 1. What is the given matrix? 2, 1, 4,
4-1.
4, 1. What is trace of A, students? Please respond. What is trace of A?
2
What is trace? 2 plus 1 is 3. Sum of diagonal.
Yes.
Students, please respond. Yeah. Now, to substitute here, S infinity. S infinity is equal to 2 into trace of A. So that is what? 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is, answer is what? 6 only, na? Please respond, students. Answer is 6. Did you understand or not? Tell me, students, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any
Of course,
doubt?
ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Please respond.
No doubts,
Please
ma'am.
respond. Yeah,
No doubt,
right,
ma'am.
no. Yeah, no doubt.
Now can we go to the last step, ma'am?
Mom, just scroll a bit down, no? To the question, ma'am.
Question you want.
Yes, this.
Completed, students? Students completed? Students completed?
Completed, ma'am.
Next question. A square matrix capital A next. A square matrix capital A is a square matrix capital A is said to be nilpotent of index m, nilpotent of index m if a to the power of m is equal to 0. Now, if for this a, I minus capital A to the power of n equal to I plus a square plus a cube plus and so on a to the power of m minus 1. Then n is equal to 0, m minus m, fourth one is minus 1. Next, students, what is given here? A is a nilpotent index. A to the power of m is equal to 0 already given. Students,
Yes, ma'am.
students,
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. One minute, students. Yeah, a to the power of m is equal to 0. Now, tell me, students, what they given here? What we have to find out? N value we have to find out. Now, here already given a to the power of m is 0. I minus a to the power of n equal to I plus a square plus and so on a to the power of m minus n. Now, here we have to apply GP. Okay. Now tell me what is the formula for GP? Sum of n terms in GP. Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. Tell me, students, what you have to write here? Here it is I minus a to the power n is equal to, what is a here? A is I. Students, please respond. 1 is nothing but I only. Minus, what is r? R is a to the power of, here till how many terms are there? How many terms are there from a to the power of m minus 1, m minus 1. If you add plus I, no, will get you what? N terms, m terms divided by I minus a. Is there any doubt? Please respond, students. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, in place of m, take 0. In place of m, take 0. In place of m, take 0. What happened? Tell me, students. What happened? Tell me. In place of m, take 0. I into I minus 0 is will get to I divided by I minus a. Students, I into I is I square.
This denominator value write in the numerator. If you write I minus a to the power of minus 1. So I minus a to the power of n is equal to I square into I minus a to the power of minus 1 value will get you what? I minus a to the power of minus 1. Now, therefore, n is equal to, if you compare these two, n is equal to minus 1. Please respond. Is there any doubt? Please respond. I square value is nothing but I only. I into I minus a to the power of minus 1. I is nothing but 1. 1 into anything value same, no? I minus a to the power of minus 1. N is equal to minus 1. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Please respond.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Right. Yeah.
ma'am, how did that I square go, ma'am?
I into I in the numerator, in place of m take 0, a to the power of 0. Already here given 0, right? A to the power of m value. A to the power of n
Yeah.
value is 0, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? It's already
Yes,
given, just substitute a power m is 0. So I
Okay.
into I into I is I square. Denominator value right in the numerator. What you get here? Minus 1. So I square value is I into I minus a to the power of minus 1. So here
Okay, ma'am.
compare these two, n is equal to minus 1. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Next. Completed, students?
Ma'am, where did the tie go? What did you say, ma'am?
What more?
The tie.
So here a to the power of m value is 0. Right? This
Hmm.
already by data given, right? Important matrix A is. So I minus 0 by I minus a. Right? So I minus 0 means what? I only, na? 1 minus 0 is nothing but what? 1 only, na? Like that I minus 0 is I only. I is left here, divided by I minus a. I into I is I square, divided by I minus a to the power of 1, right? If write in the numerator, I square into I minus a to the power of minus 1. This I square value is I into I. Okay, I minus a to the power of 1. 1 into 1 is nothing but what? 1 only, na? Identity matrix is, take it as 1. Students understood what I'm telling? 1
Hmm.
into I minus a to the power of minus 1 is, will get to what? I minus a to the power of minus 1. Is it clear? Is it clear, students? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, all of you? Still you have any doubt? Respond, ma. Is
Understood.
there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Please respond.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Ma'am, understood.
Next, maximum cover level 1. Is there any pending? Just check it. Already I posted the group, no? In the group. Once you check the, please, once you see the material, all of you, level 1 and level 2, almost all completed. Level 1 and level 2, please, once you check it. Is there any doubts? Please ask me, I will explain now. So in that determinants also it is there, that one no need, no? So what is the example? If a matrix capital A has both symmetric and skew symmetric, then A is 1, second one is 0 matrix, third one is both 1 and 2, and fourth one is diagonal matrix. So 0 matrix is a
Ma'am, 0.
symmetric and 0 matrix is a both symmetric and skew symmetric. 0 matrix is a both symmetric and skew symmetric. Some problems are there in determinants also. That one no need, ma. Only based on symmetric, skew symmetric, that type of problems once you practice. Maximum problems are covered, no? Students, yesterday I posted that KCET 2014 to 2019 papers also wants to solve that papers. And that one and the assignment also today I will send my assignment. That also once you practice. Okay.
What assignment, ma'am?
Almost all same model problems are there. Okay.
What assignment, ma'am?
This matrices assignment today I will send, ma.
Ma'am, that 11th assignment, what assignment? 11th assignment.
What, ma? 11th. Not that the 11th assignment. That one I don't know. Sir only. Okay.
Okay.
Next month we have unit test 14th onwards, from 14th.
Okay. Ma'am.
Okay, students, still we have any doubts, please ask me. Otherwise, I will close the class. It is enough. It is almost all completed all the problems. So once you solve all the previous question papers, what and all I posted in the group, no? Once you solve all the papers, in that we have any doubts, send me WhatsApp. I will reply. Okay. And NTA exams, previous JEE means NTA question
Yes.
papers. NTA question papers also I will post, ma. That already sent, no, or what? Send, no, that one, no, still not yet.
Be a question to present.
NTA question paper, that also I will check it, and today I will post that one also. Once you practice those problems also, matrices. So 40% present week, 40% cumulative, 20% cumulate. 40% present week means matrices. 40% cumulative means inverse trigonometry. 20% cumulative means relations and functions. Okay. Okay, students, is there any doubts? Please ask me. Otherwise, I will close the class. Okay, what and all I posted in the group, that and all. Once you practice the problems, is there any doubt means please send me WhatsApp. I will send the solution. So
Yes, ma'am.
matrices easy only. Matrices easy only. Don't worry
Yes,
about that.
ma'am.
But you have to practice inverse trigonometry relations also. Once
Yes,
you
ma'am.
practice the problems
Yes, ma'am.
also.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Tell me.
when did you complete that last exercise, ma'am? Exercise 3.4.
Exercise 3.4. Oh, exercise problems, huh? So you can do it now. Is there any doubt? Tell me. I will explain now. Till time is there, no? Yeah, till time is there. Tell me. Yeah, take the test book and tell me. We will do now.
Ma'am, no,
We'll
ma'am. Not no, ma'am. I'll send you the questions, ma'am.
Yeah, it is easy only, ma. So in that, what and all we have doubts? Tell me that the multiplication, addition, subtraction, that type of questions only. No, we can do it.
I don't have doubt in that, ma'am.
You don't have any doubt in that. Okay, easy only.
Doubt in.
Okay.
I have, ma'am, I have doubt, ma'am.
What? Tell me.
In relations, ma'am.
Relations and functions we have doubts. So many students maybe the topic is somewhat difficult only. Okay, don't worry about that. This unit test syllabus is relations and functions and inverse trigonometry matrices. Okay, only 3 chapters. Okay, 1 week before only we will start the preparation.
How to
Okay,
assume
1 week.
numbers, ma'am? How to assume numbers in that, ma'am?
That one based on the problem, based on the problem. Okay. That one, don't worry about that. We will explain one more time. Okay. Every day we will take 1 hour extra class. We will complete that one more time. I will explain relations functions. Okay. Okay, don't worry about that. And matrices, all of you understand, ma? Is there any doubt? Matrices is easy only, or is anything? Is there any feel difficult? Matrices. What about matrices? Tell me, students. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. Is there any doubts or what? Tell me, students.
Only relations.
What, Sundar? Tell me, Sundar.
No, ma'am.
Sonali, respond, Sonali. Amit Jose.
Yes,
Why you
ma'am.
got less mark? Amit Jose, what happened to you? Why you got less marks last time? Amit Jose? Huh?
What happened to you? Tell me. Why you got less marks in maths? Huh?
Didn't study.
You didn't study now. That is not a correct reason, Amit. You are studying second year, right? You are studying second year, right? Not first year, no. Okay, you have to practice more time. You have to spend more time. You have to practice. What and all you have doubts, ask in the class during class times. Okay. Or I can send any. If you have any doubts, please send me WhatsApp. Huh? Amit, please
Okay, ma'am.
improve. Okay, na? Please little bit improve yourself. Next, Sonali also. Sonali, respond. Sonali, respond.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to you? Huh? You're studying well only, no? Why you got less marks in maths? That took KSET. Very easy paper was. Very, very easy. Huh? What, Sonali? What happened, ma? You didn't study also or what? I didn't understand.
Ma'am, I was a bit confused in some of the concept.
Little bit confusion means not practicing. Confusion is there means what happened? No, you're not practicing. That is the meaning for that. Okay. Correct
Yes,
or not?
Yes,
You didn't practice. That's all. Confusion is there and it's nothing but what? You didn't practice. If you practice 1 or 3 times and if you do the problems 2 or 3 times, easily can get no.
yes, ma'am.
Next, Satyavardhan, ma. Ritisha, please respond, all of you. Ritisha, Satyavardhan. Satyavardhan. Maitri Reddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Respond, ma. What about you? Is there any problem for you in maths? Are you understanding?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Matrices, what? Is there any doubt? Matrices chapter? You're doing textbook,
No,
ma?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Once you open the textbook, solve the problems exercise wise. It is easy only. Okay. Once you see the textbook, all of you, first of all, complete textbook problems. After that, to do material. Okay. Every day compulsory have to open the textbook and do it now, ma. Okay, na. The type of problems and all. Once one problem explained means the remaining problems and all you have to do it. What about Likit K and Likita K? Please respond, both of you. Likit K and Likita K. Likit K and Likita K. Likit K.
Yes, ma'am.
Likit K. How many marks you got, Likit, last time?
I don't know.
You don't know. What, ma, Likit? Huh? You don't know how many marks? Huh? You didn't write exam last time?
I wrote, ma'am.
But you don't know marks, huh? Huh? What, Likit? What happened to you? Is there any doubts?
No doubts, ma'am.
Are you following? Are you following? Please tell me. Are you following the chapters? First of all, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Why you got less marks? I think so. 30, 40, not 40 also. 30s. 30s, I think so. Huh? Abhishek Parsuram. Abhishek Parsuram.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to you, sir? What happened to you? Tell me. Last time, why you got less marks? What's the reason?
Calculation part went wrong, ma'am.
Calculation part. What is there in that calculation? In inverse trigonometry, is there any calculation?
No, I'm sine inverse and that only I done.
Only 1 or 2 problems like that given. Remaining is not like that. No. Huh? What, Abhishek? Remaining is not like that. No.
Next time I will do, ma'am.
We will see Monday only na exam. Jitin S. Sumair. Sumair, respond. Sumair. Sumair, respond. Jitin S.
Yes,
Jeevan
ma'am.
Ji. Who is this?
Jitin,
Jitin. What happened, sir? How many marks you got it?
ma'am, 35.
35.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This time? How
Ma'am,
many
I'll
marks
do.
will get? Will do.
I'll do.
Is there any doubt? Matrices are understanding or what?
Understanding.
Is easy only, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Once you practice all the problems, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Gaurish, respond Gaurish.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened, Gaurish? In maths, you are not doing well, right? KSET also you got less marks. Huh? You're PCMB student, right?
Yes, ma'am. PCMB, ma'am.
Tell me, what happened to your maths? Very less marks you got it. You're not practicing maths? Huh?
Practicing, ma'am.
Do you understand or not? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
What, yes, Ra? Tell me, what's your problem? What's your problem? Tell me. Then we will rectify that problem, right? Students, compulsory this Monday, everyone should get more than. So total 100 marks, no compulsory, everyone should get more than 50 marks. That is our target in maths, I'm telling you. More than 50 marks, that is our target. Okay. I'm not telling 80, 90 like that. More than 50 marks, it is very important, students. Please compulsory have to practice like that. If you do matrices, it is enough. Easily will get you for 50 crores. Okay. And remaining inverse trigonometry also almost all it is easy. Only so many problems already have done. Once you practice that inverse trigonometry problems and everything, okay. If you once you solve that KSET paper, it is enough inverse trigonometry. If you once you practice KSET paper, last week KSET paper, it is enough for this exam. Why? Because almost all models covered. Okay. And relations and functions also. Once level one, only level one you practice. Only level one. Relations and functions. Only level one just practice. And that too, what and all I have given in the class notes. Only those problems only once you practice. That type of model only it will come. That type of model only it will come. Relations and inverse trigonometry. And matrices is also level 1 and level 2. It is enough for main section. Actually, level 1, level 2, level 3. So level 3, 1 or 2 questions only it will come. Level 3. So maximum it will come from level 1 and level 2 only. Okay, students understand what I am telling? Students, please respond. Hello. Hello. Students, please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please respond. Respond, Amma. What's your
Yes,
problem? Tell me. What's your problem? Tell me. Then we will rectify that problem, right? Ma'am, this concept we didn't understand. Like otherwise, ma'am, this is very difficult chapter. Like that only. If you tell no, if you want to explain one more time, also I'm ready to explain. Okay, I will take extra class also. Don't worry about that. It is easy only. Okay, board point of view. Don't worry about that. That and all we will take care. Okay, just main concentrate on competitive only. Okay, board point of view, don't worry about that. Okay, we will all there know how to do that and all already we know which type of problems, how to write a presentation, everything we'll take care about that. But competitive is not like that. It is with your hands only. Okay, compulsory how to practice each and every concept wise problems. Okay, what and all we are what and all we're explaining in the class now. Once you practice the same problems, the type of models once you practice, level 1 and level 2 at least PU textbook exemplar and level 1 and level 2. If you do only level 1 and exemplar, guarantee good rank. It will compulsory will get you good rank in KSET. Okay, in this section also almost all 50 to 70% people are very good. Okay, only 25% are there in this class. It is not that much up to the mark. Don't worry, those people also. Okay, but those who are studying well, please concentrate on competitive. Please, students. Okay, please try to understand why I'm telling like this. Okay, students, we see the marks on Monday. Okay, now all the best. What and all we have doubts, please ask me, or otherwise can call, or otherwise just send me WhatsApp. I will reply that one. Okay, now otherwise tomorrow we'll take one extra class or what? Tell me. Doubt section class we will take tomorrow. Yeah, tell me, students. We don't want or we don't want? Huh? Okay, tomorrow we'll take one extra class for doubt section. Huh?
Okay.
Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes or no? Tell me, students. ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಬೇಕಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ? Hello? Please respond, all of you students.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll take the class tomorrow, 1 hour or for 15 minutes. Students, please respond, Amma. Respond, students. Hello? Swayam PR. Swayam PR, respond. Swayam PR, respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you got less mark? 0, I think so. You got 0 marks. You got it, mass.
That
Swayam?
was last week.
But you don't know anything in that paper. You don't know anything.
No, ma'am.
even one
I
question.
actually no. This thing in NLearn it did not submit, ma'am. I even said to Muni sir. He said, "Okay, next week you have to do." That NLearn did not like submit properly.
Okay, tell me, students. Tomorrow I will take class or what? Tell me. Okay. Okay, I'll take tomorrow, ma. I will take class. We have class at what time you want? Tell me. 4 to 5. Is it okay for you? 4 to 5. Is it okay for you? Tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
4 to 5. Okay. Okay, ma. Tomorrow I will take extra class for doubt section 4 to 5. Today I will send one assignment for matrices. Once you practice those problems, in that we need doubts also, you can ask tomorrow. And KSET 2014 to 2019 question paper also, once you practice, only practice matrices, only practice in the determinants also there, practice only matrices problems. And the previous question papers, that is weekend, last weekend KSET, the inverse trigonometry also, once you practice, in that you have any doubts, ask me tomorrow. Okay, students? Okay, na? Any doubt, please ask me, otherwise I will close the class now. You want to explain any problem or anything, means tell me, I will explain those problems, otherwise I will close the class now. Please respond, students. Again, next week, again, one more PTM is there, already we know. Okay. This week, everyone responding is very good, but the next again, what happened now? You're not responding again. Hello? Okay, students, I will close the class now. Once you practice all the problems. Okay, Ra? Thank you. Bye. Hello?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Ra, bye.